Have you ever wondered why some people gain weight on the keto diet? Well, I've got a personal story to tell you. In this video, I'll be revealing one shocking reason why I gained a whopping 50 pounds while following a keto diet. And let me tell you, it wasn't due to a sudden love affair with donuts or a secret stash of hidden carbs. No, my friends, the culprit lies elsewhere, and it's about to blow your mind. My name is Lesya, and I'm a nutritionist who helps stressed out working moms lose fat. In this video, I'm going to take you through my journey, sharing all the ups and downs. Stick around till the end because I'll also be sharing some valuable tips to ensure that you don't make the same mistake. Let's get started. It all started back in 2015, before keto became the latest trend. I had just given birth to my first child and was struggling to shed those stubborn pregnancy pounds. That's when I stumbled upon the ketogenic diet and decided to give it a shot. And boy, did it work. I successfully lost the baby weight and felt amazing. Fast forward to my second pregnancy. Keto came to my rescue once again. I managed to lose a staggering 60 pounds after having my second baby. Life was good and I felt like I had found the secret to weight loss. But things took a strange turn towards the end of 2019. Despite sticking to clean keto foods, practicing intermittent fasting, exercising religiously, and doing everything right, I started noticing an unwelcome change. I was gaining weight. And not just a few pounds here and there, but a staggering amount. The numbers on the scale kept climbing, and I couldn't figure out why. I must admit, there were signs that I chose to ignore. Sleep issues, constant fatigue despite getting enough rest, severe mood swings, digestive problems, relentless cravings, and unexplained anxiety. They were all there. But the real wake-up call came with the weight gain. It started slowly, just a few pounds at first, but then it piled on rapidly. By the time 2023 came around, I had gained a staggering 50 pounds. Now, here's the mind-blowing part. I was doing everything right, sticking to keto, monitoring my ketone levels, and staying well within my calorie and carb limits. So what on earth could be causing this weight gain? After countless visits to functional medicine doctors and a battery of tests, the truth was finally revealed. Chronic stress was the culprit. I know, it's hard to believe. I couldn't wrap my head around it either. But the test results didn't lie. My cortisol levels were through the roof, and my HPA axis, the system responsible for managing stress, was completely out of whack. Chronic stress had taken its toll on my body, and the weight gain was a clear manifestation of that. Now, you must be wondering, how exactly does chronic stress lead to weight gain on keto? Well, let me break it down for you. When we're under stress, our bodies release cortisol, often referred to as the stress hormone. This hormone, in moderation, is essential for survival. However, when stress becomes chronic, cortisol levels remain elevated for prolonged periods. Elevated cortisol wreaks havoc on our metabolism and fat storage mechanisms. It promotes the storage of visceral fat, particularly around the belly area. Stress can also influence our food choices. When we're stressed, the brain releases a chemical called neuropeptide Y, which increases our cravings for high-calorie, sugary, and fatty foods. These comfort foods provide temporary relief from stress, but they also contribute to weight gain. Additionally, it increases insulin resistance, making it harder for our bodies to use stored fat for energy. So even though I was in ketosis and burning fat for fuel, the excess cortisol made it nearly impossible for me to shed those pounds. And there you have it, the shocking reason behind my weight gain on keto: chronic stress. It was a revelation that completely caught me off guard. I never imagined that stress alone could have such a profound impact on my body and thwart my weight loss efforts. But it did, and it's a lesson I'll never forget. The good news, there's good news, is that I discovered carb cycling, and not only has it helped me heal my adrenals, I'm finally losing the weight that I had gained. It's a slow process, but I'm in this for the long haul. I hope my story has shed some light on the importance of managing stress and its impact on our overall well-being. Remember, self-care and stress reduction are just as crucial as diet and exercise. If you're a working, stressed out mom who resonates with this and thinks that chronic stress is the reason that you've gained weight, I want to invite you to book a complimentary call now to discover how my fat loss program can help busy working moms like you achieve their goals. And if you found this video insightful, or if you have any questions, please let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button to join me on this journey towards a happier, healthier life. I'll see you in the next video.